Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. As you can see, a cosmic grey EP3 on the ramp today. It looks absolutely lovely. The alloys are gorgeous. What a colour. Well, Richard's going to look underneath this and do the basic checks. We usually check in for things like corrosion and bushes and things like that. But the mandate is to formulate a shopping list of where the customer should best spend his money next. So let's go and speak to Richard and see what we find out. Okay, Richard, where have we got to then?
Unfortunately, this is a poorly one.
Okay.
It's had a lot of welding and not very nicely done. That's a plate, that's a plate. This here's had a plate all the way down. You can see the angle of the sill, and then if you look there, how that lifts up.
Oh yeah, that looks crushed up.
This is all rotten, and they've just tacked a plate over the top here, and this is all crushed and gone in. This would be rotten. If you took that plate off, there'd be a hole there.
Yeah. Okay, that's not good then.
Then you've got a hole here in the floor. That's carpet.
Oh wow, I've not seen that before.
That's carpet there.
Yeah.
Oh
dear, look at that. Put the torch on that.
That's carpet.
Was that passenger?
Passenger footwell.
Oh dear.
Passenger side chassis rail is completely rotten.
Oh, cool, blimey.
That's here. And then the worst bit is just here. Nothing left. That's the bottom of the wing there. That's the front edge of the sill. That's the corner of the floor pan. That's everything. And again, carpet.
That doesn't look like that's likely to be saved.
No.
I mean, I'm not. You're the expert here, not me. But that looks.
That's very rotten.
Titanic.
Very rotten. Like, there's no way that's happened since its last MOT, is what I'm suggesting. And then obviously it's had a patchwork quilt. All this is shoved up, same as the other side. And then it's had a patchwork quilt all the way down the sill on here.
Oh.
Again, damaged. Where it's been jacked up here because it's soft, it's rotten. Like here, you can see, like that's rotten here. That's had, I don't know if it's had a sill cover on it, but there's a hole there.
What fell out then, mate?
A little bit of something. Look, there's a hole there.
Oh yeah.
This is all holes here where it's not meeting anything in there. That's all holes.
Is it like that on this side then, is it?
The arch line is still in on this side, so I'd say not. No, this side does look better. It seems to be worse on the near side.
Oh, got some exhaust paste there for you, Richard.
Yeah, it's lovely. Yes, so I'm afraid this is done. I can't ever see this being put back on the road or going on the road.
It can't have an surely it can't have an MOT now.
Well, let's have a look.
Well, she'll find out. Okay, so I mean, is this sort of like you've still got other bits to check on this vehicle? Is that sort of game?
Well, I mean, generally I'll continue the health check and I'll look over it, but obviously it's condemned at this point, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh dear. Oh, that's not the news the customer would have been looking for, I'm sure. And he's this car's travelled some way to be here, which is also a little bit, you know, worrying. But okay, so let's continue with the health check and see where we get to. Not good news. Well, as you can probably imagine, that car failed its health check pretty severely. Richard's put the car back outside now. There's not much more to be said about it other than I think that one's toast, Rich.
I'd say so. We need to speak to the customer, don't we? And see
It's such a shame.
Well, it's a nice looking car from the top.
Yeah, from the top.
From the top, yeah.
But this is the thing with EP3s at the moment. If you're going to buy an EP3, do not buy one unless you can physically stand underneath it.
Yeah, 100%. They've reached that point where they are rotten. You're either buying a good one or you're buying a bad one, and that's it. So you do need to look at them for sure.
Yeah. Okay, well, it's time. Our job now is to call the customer and give him the bad news, unfortunately. So that's what we're going to go do. We'll see you on the next one.
Will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.